today I'm going to do a quick makeup lesson with Elise. She's going to show you how to contour. This is going to be really simple, so you can do this at home. The products we're using today to contour with is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit. We're going to use 2 brushes to apply, one for the light shade, one for the dark shade, and then to blend it all out I'm going to use this Bobbi Brown foundation brush, but you could also use a beauty blender. So to start the contour, we're going to apply the dark shade first, and Elise's got a little bit of this on her brush, and she's going to apply it into the hollows of her cheekbones, diagonally down towards the lips. And a little bit more. Maybe a little bit of a thicker line. Yeah. Okay, and she's also going to do this along the top of her forehead, quite close to the hairline. You can either draw a straight line or you can just draw a few little lines or a few dots. Okay, and then also down either side of the nose. Okay, now we're going to apply the lighter shade. And this is going to go in the centre of the forehead and down the nose. Down the centre. Okay, and under the eyes in kind of like a triangle shape. That's it. Okay, and also slightly above and below the darker shade you've put on the hollows of your cheekbones. And on your chin. Okay, now we're going to blend this all together. So now Elise is going to blend this all together. It doesn't matter where you start, but we're going to start on the cheekbones and start by doing circular motions on the darker shade and then gently going up and below to blend in the lighter shade with it. So you need to press quite hard with your brush or your beauty blender just to make sure you really blend it in nice and smooth so it blends in with your foundation. And then onto the forehead, so blend in the darker shade, making sure it's really blended into the hairline so you can't see that line. And then blending in the lighter shade as well. And then under the eyes, we're going to blend that out so it goes up to the lash line, but then blending downwards as well and out. Okay, so then the nose, just going to blend the centre down and blend the darker sides just into the nose so it's all blended. And then finally we're just going to blend the chin. And that's how easy it is to contour your face.